So why are nobody actually using AI to actually generate that email? So let's assume that we are going to use AI to actually write an email copy for us. So I said I want to sell a product, which is Amazon Ads 2.0, write an email copy to get more sales. So I'm going to actually prompt this particular generative AI to write an email for us. So as you can see, it actually come up with an email, but it is not really much interesting. Like, it cannot actually make someone to buy, because they will definitely smell that this is AI content. So I'm going to show you a better way to write an email copy to sell your product, to actually sell your courses. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be promoting this particular courses, which is called Sell More Books with Amazon Ads 2.0. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can write a better email copy that are definitely going to get more sales and get more leads. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. And like, if you are to use all the generating AI, maybe ChatGPT, Gemini or Cloud, so you have to train this AI to write as you do. You have to show this AI more example, more copy written by a professional writer. So I actually find a tool that can do that for you. So they actually train the tools over the years, show them different copy of email that are converting, email that are generating a lot of sales. So the tool is actually called AI Writer by Temp Email Gel. So this particular AI tool has been trained over the years to write just like all these professional writer in your niche, affiliate marketing, course creator. So all you have to do is just to tell this AI to write the email for you, and it will definitely write it just like those popular writer or email copywriter. So if you want to get started, you just have to enter your prompt, and this AI tool is going to give you exactly what you want. So, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm already logged into this account, because when you log in, you'll be able to have more access to this platform. So I'm going to log in and show you exactly how you can write a better email copy with this AI tool. So over here, as you can see, I've successfully logged into AI Writer by Temp Email Gel. So all I have to do is to actually paste that particular prompt, and we are going to compare with what we generated with this particular AI tool, GPT. It's going to be very much different, because they've already trained this AI to write a better email copy. So I'm going to actually choose my tone. So as you can see, I'm actually selling a product. If I should choose empathy, it is going to be more appealing to the audience. So I'm going to choose the empathy. Then campaign type is actually for sales. We want to have more sales. So there are different types. If you're actually sending a newsletter, follow up, if someone has bought your product but you want to make a follow-up, cold email outreach, announcement, invitation, but we are actually targeting sales, so make sales right away. So over here, there are a lot of languages you can choose. You can either choose, they have 18 languages you can choose from, but we are actually focusing on English. So also the word count, if you want the word count to be 500 or a long email copy or just 300 words copy, it depends on you. So you can actually format the paragraph, how the paragraph you want. Maybe you want 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs, you can choose that. Then also emoji, if you want emoji, you can toggle it on or toggle it off. So we can actually allow emoji. And personalized email, when you are sending an email, it can be so name, so you can personalize the email to make sure that they get more clicks. So you can choose your audience. For example, if you have an email list that are actually active, you can choose audience, and it's going to narrow down that email based on your audience. If you actually want customers, it depends on what you actually want to choose. So right now, since we actually selling this product, let's choose lead. We want someone to actually sign up and get into our product and buy it right away. So also, I'm a marketer. You can choose your personal biodata. Maybe you are an affiliate marketer, you are a course creator, SaaS founder, freelancer, or solo entrepreneur. So right now, let me generate the email. Then we are going to compare with what we generated with ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on generate, and for each generation, you are going to be charging 1 credit for each generation you actually make on this platform. So I'm going to drop the link to this AI tool inside the video description for you to try them out, so that you can be able to write a better email copy for yourself. So as you can see, so this is the response we got. Unlock your books sales with Amazon Ads. As you can see, this is the title or the subject line. So as you can see, are you struggling to get your book noticed? You are not alone. Many marketers face the challenges of standing out in the crowd. The good news is that the right height can change everything. Our guide, Book with Amazon Ads 2.0, you will learn how to boost your book sales and reach more audience. Imagine seeing you climb the rank and connecting with the audience that love what you write. So as you can see, it's kind of very different from this boring message we actually got from ChatGPT. This one is kind of very much better. So as you can see, it said the second paragraph said, don't wait any longer. Every moment you hold back is a missed opportunity to grow your sales. This guide is your chance to learn the proven strategy that works. So as you can see, and we have call to action. So this is a better email copy, and one of the advantage of this particular tool is the fact that it's going to filter all the spam word that can actually make your email not to deliver into someone's inbox. So for example, like free, like all those words, it's going to paraphrase it in such a way that whenever you send your email, it's going to land inside your audience inbox. So as you can see, and it actually give us the subject line that it actually have good length and clarity. So that means there is high probability that whenever you send this email, they are going to open it. And the tone, it actually match the tone to empathy, like trying to convince someone that okay, you need this thing, like, and you need to buy it right now, and you're actually targeting lead. So more so, as you can see, we actually send this prompt, and this prompt actually give us a email, but it is more better when we use their template. This template is mind-blowing, and you can use it to actually write a better email copy. So all you have to do is to actually click on browse more templates over here. So these are template that is available. So email template are just probably maybe you are sending a follow-up email, sales follow-up email, a product announcement email, welcome email, weekly newsletter template, customer success story, different abandoned cart recovery template email. Then we have content promotion email. So but if you want to write a better email copy that's going to make sure that your audience buy your product right away, so you have to choose this campaign builder. So there are a lot of sales targeted campaign like the templates. As you can see, sales mastery campaign, we have authority building series, so problem algorithm solution. So I love this particular one. Framework is actually working. Maybe if you are selling a product, that means that they are going to buy your product instantly. And we have urgency and scarcity campaign. So we have story driving sales campaign, objective crushing campaign. So there are a lot of campaign over here that can make your user to buy your product. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates you can use, but let's try this sales mastery campaign. Let's see how we can be able to achieve a greater success with this particular email writer. So as you can see, create an email high converting sales campaign following the proven copywriting principle. Email content. So as you can see, the industry. So the industry should be Amazon KDP. So Amazon KDP, like Amazon KDP. So I'm going to copy Amazon. So let me show you exactly how it's being done. Amazon KDP. So you have to actually fill in all this information. So I'm going to pause this video, fill in all those information before I will generate the copy. So guys, I'll actually fill in all this information. As you can see, the products, the niche we are actually targeting is Amazon KDP. So, and also these are the niche, and I'll fill in my name. The name you have to refer me to. So most book publisher. So let me actually generate it and see what we are going to get with this particular template. So it's going to be much better than what we are going to get from ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on generate once again, and you're going to see the outcome of we using this AI tool to write our email copy. This particular AI tool has generated the email. As you can see, this changed everything for Amazon KDP professional. So it's actually creating a curiosity, and they will actually want to click on the email. So I'm going to read this particular email to show you what this AI tool has generated for us. I'm going to be honest with you. Most book publishers are struggling to get their products rank and sell more. So that is the problem. They are working harder, not smarter, spinning the wheel, feeling frustrated. Sounds familiar? Here is what I figured out after 5 years in this space. So creating authority. The problem isn't what you think. It is not just about getting your book to the right people. The real problem is that your book is buried under millions of others. Once I figure out this, everything changed. Within 2 months, I made over 3,000 using this method, and now I want to share it with you. So as you can see, it is very, very different from what we generated from ChatGPT, because we actually prompt it. We prompt this particular AI tool, and it actually gives us one of the best-selling, high-converting email. So as you can see, this session is very, very important. So as you can see, this in theory is a proven strategy that's helped 1,000 people to make at least $1,000 monthly. But here is the catch. I can only work with 5 people at a time. Right now, I have 5 spots available. If you are ready to make at least $1,000 every month, click here to learn. And the hour is PSC. The opportunity closed on 30/07. Don't miss by it. So as you can see, we actually have the span, all those span words filter out, and we have the target audience to prospect and lead. Then we have the target to be persuasive to actually make sure they buy instantly. I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular AI tool inside the video description if you want to try them out, so you can be able to subscribe for their monthly plan or their pro plans. You are going to click on this pricing over here, then choose any of their plan, which is standard plan or pro plan. All you have to do is to click on subscribe and start using this AI tool to write all your email copy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then I will see you in my next video. Bye.